Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely red velvet cake. I used 12 by 12 square pan for this. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please join the lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome. Thanks for coming. The recipe for this red velvet cake: I have my margarine, my cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. This is my flour. I've already sieved the flour. For the milk butter, if you don't have normal milk butter, add a tablespoon of vinegar to the desired measurement of milk. I have my vegetable oil. This is my two flavor, butterscotch and vanilla. I'll be using my sugar. Here is my red velvet powder. Add as desired as you're adding your chicken till you're good with the color. 6 eggs, and that is all. First, you're going to incorporate your cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder into the sieved flour. Sieve it because to avoid lumps, especially the baking soda always come with some lumps, so you have to break them down and sieve them out. Incorporate after sieving. Mix everything together. Please, if you don't have a hand mixer or standing mixer, go ahead and use your turning stick to do this. It will still come out beautiful at last. Take your time to cream your margarine or butter a little before you add in your sugar. Now you can add in your vegetable oil for easy mixture or easy creaming. Continue creaming. Go ahead to separate your egg white from the egg yolks. Make sure they are in separate place. Right now, this is my egg white and I have my egg yolks in a different place. So right now, I'm going to use my hand mixer to whisk my egg white a little. You can use your egg whisk to do that. And you can also go ahead to add in your red velvet powder right now. But I'll be adding mine later, but I'll be adding it straight into the egg white. So after creaming it a little, you set it aside and add in your egg yolk to your mixture and continue mixing. Add in your milk butter, little at a time as you add in your flour. Add in your flavors, the two flavors together. Feel free to add them in. Like I said, I added in the red velvet powder to my egg white. Yes, the red velvet powder straight to my egg white. I'm going to use the egg whisk to make sure I melt all the powders to incorporate with the egg white before I start adding in little at a time. I wasn't okay with the color, so I decided to add in more powder to it. After mixing everything together, I'm using 12 by 12 square pan. I've already greased it with butter and flour. Yes, if you don't have baking paper, you can also use normal exercise book paper. That's what I'm using here. I pour in my butter, tap on your table to close up air bubble, stretch to the oven. My oven has been preheating before I started mixing, so I baked for 30 minutes before I start checking. You can see, yes, tap, go ahead and tap. After 35 minutes, my cake was ready. You can see how beautiful it's looking so beautiful, reddish and yummy. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Feel free to join this lovely family. You're going to learn a whole lot. I'm serious. Go through my videos. I have more than enough videos you have been looking for a long time. Subscribe to this channel so that if I drop new video, you will get an alert. You can see how beautiful this red velvet cake is looking. And also click on the notification bell to be getting alert when I drop a new video. And don't forget to click like. You love what you're saying. Now go ahead and tap on the like button. Click like, and that is all. Immediately you remove it from the oven, please remove the pepper and wrap it up. A lot of people complain that their cake comes out soft before you know it is looking dry already. It's because you didn't wrap it up immediately. Go ahead and take your cling film. Yes, I know it's hot, you have to manage anyhow. Make sure you wrap it up and allow it to cool with the cling film or with your leather or with your anything you're wrapping it with. Allow it to cool. You can now put in your fridge or your freezer, and that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. I love you all. Don't forget to like and feel free to share to your friend. Help a friend with this recipe. Thanks. Bye bye.